Hi guys, it's Lisa for Fantastic Friday. We'll grab your shades because summer's around the corner and it's time to hit the pool. Purchase your family season pass and save big starting tomorrow. Families of 4 can save 15% off a year-round pass. That's valid March through November of 2018. This is good for all 6 Chandler Aquatic centers. You better hurry up because the sale ends March 25th. Then on Thursday, it's the final concert of the season of the Sonoran Sunset Series. Mark your calendars from 6 to 7 p.m. at the Environmental Education Center, where you can enjoy great music lakeside from the Knockabouts. For more information on these events or any other events, click on the Events tab and get ready because spring break is almost here.